Welcome to Wonclean. Let's take an immersive factory tour today. Follow the camera inside to see our real production environment. Comprehensive safety facilities and management boards. Safety always comes first. Here is our core processing area. Automated equipment is running smoothly. Every premium cleanroom panel is precision cut and formed right here. Look at these finished products. We have ample stock to fulfill your orders quickly. For overseas clients, all goods are packed with strict moisture and collision-proof standards. Safe, secure, and ready to ship. We look forward to your on-site visit.